I am basing my December theme on a new Christmas sticker sheet that I made. This year I wanted to go for a more muted pink/nude color and a hint of gold. But in a bit you will see that I changed my mind about the gold though. I always change things up while I am creating my spreads, and that is very evident in this video. With my letter stamping kit from Amazon, I made a cute header with December on it. I think I made these for every month in this journal, and it makes everything very cohesive. Because my journal is almost full, I had to place a little notebook under the page to create a clean line with my ruler. I'm so excited for showing you my new journal, by the way. I already did my setup for 2021 and I am really happy with how everything turned out. No worries, I will make a flip through video of this journal first. It is so much fun to see all the different themes with the filled in mood and habit trackers. I love it. And here you can see that I covered the gold with some paper, and I also didn't really like the brown recycled paper that I used. I thought it looked too dark compared to the other colors, so I peeled it off and replaced it with some other paper. Because of the dark background that I used for the days of the week, I had to use a white jelly roll as ink for my little stamping kit. The imprint wasn't very clear, but I could fix that by tracing it with my pen again. I think it turned out really well like this, and maybe I will use this method in the future. Next up is my habit and mood tracker spread. I kept my habit tracker quite simple and used my traditional layout. If you have seen any of my other videos before, you already know the drill. I did get sick of writing down all the numbers again for each little calendar though. So I finally bought a clear stamp on AliExpress so I can hopefully make this easier and a lot quicker in the future. I finished the page with some of my stickers and went on to my mood tracker. To be honest, I felt a bit uninspired and decided that I wanted to go for something simple. I went for a little forest of Christmas trees in different shapes and sizes, and it wasn't very hard to do. You can easily do this while watching an episode of your favorite TV show, for example. Or if you want to stay in the holiday spirits, you can watch a Christmas movie. My favorite is definitely The Holiday. I watch it almost every single year, and it is kind of a little tradition. I would love for you to leave a comment with your favorite Christmas movie. I can really use some inspiration for new ones to watch. The last spread that I will be showing you is my weekly spread. Like always, I started off with creating my collage border and I tried to make a really small one. December weekly spreads tend to fill up really quickly, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough writing space. Even during these times, I expect to plan a lot of things. We might not be able to organize or go to Christmas parties, but we can write Christmas cards, make a gift basket and leave it at someone's door as a surprise, and of course make your own house extra festive because we are staying at home more often. We might have to be a bit more creative this year, but I personally think that can be a good thing. Here is a little flip through of all of the spreads. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video.